All right, so in this one, my little suggestion was to write the K first and then the Q. And again, the K and the Q and the K and the Q and the K and the Q. And then you can turn your arrow into your greater than less than sign into an arrow that shows you which way to go. There are other ways to do this. Some people do these with like open alligator mouths, and it's like, which way is the alligator going to go? And in that case, you put the Q first. So you really do have to pay attention to which one you put first if you're trying to do this. You can also understand it conceptually too, though, because you're thinking about how is the numerator versus the denominator changing. So this one's the 360, this one's the decimal number, and so that one's bigger. And so this is going to go this way. It's going to have to make more products. And essentially that's because when you're looking at it, this number is too small. That's why we have a decimal here, is because it's the top number is too small. It needs to get bigger to get it towards equilibrium. So more products would get that top number. To equilibrium, and you need less of this one so that you can get it to equilibrium. All right, in this one I've got a 39 and I have a 4.3, so it goes that way. This one is going to need more reactants, and basically that idea there is that the Q that I'm looking at, this part is too big, or you could also say that this part is too small. Either way will get you a big number, and you need to be a smaller number. So what needs to happen is that this needs to increase and this needs to decrease. And then on this one, we're going 51, 51. So these are equal. So when that happens, it means that your Q given is actually already at equilibrium. And then finally, I have 10.1 versus 29.5. My K is bigger, so it's kind of that same scenario up here, and I'm going to end up shifting and needing to make more products.